Of course, I'm back with another coding challenge, and I'm back with some news and updates as well. I appreciate everyone that actually watches my videos and follow me, but lately I have not been uploading as much as I normally did. I will be cutting back on uploads. Reason being, after the new year, I'll be starting my position with Microsoft, and because of that, I have to become back familiar with C Sharp because I'm going to be using C Sharp after we start. So because I'm going to be studying more diligently, I won't be able to post as many videos, but I will still be uploading some challenges during the week in case you guys want to check them out. So I just want to let you guys know that. So let's go ahead and get started with the challenge here. We are on the last week that was posted on Data in Motion. So this is the week of November the 13th. So we're finally caught all the way up, and we will be tackling the easy challenge today. I'll go ahead and read the instructions. The instruction is: given a list of monthly sale figures for a year, calculate the month-to-month sales growth in percentage. And it has the expected task, which is create a function that calculates the sales growth percentage for each month compared to the previous month. It returns a list of these percentages, and it does provide us a monthly list here with all of the sales. And this is the formulas I found for us to perform that math with. So I have a formula for when the next number is increased, and also if the next number is decreased, it'll still calculate the change in percentage. So the first thing I did was I actually created a function here, and I named it sales growth, and it takes in that sales list. And since we're going to be going through each number and comparing it to the next, we need to make sure we stop at the second to last number, because the last number would not have anything to compare to, and that would cause an error. So what I'm doing here is I'm letting the program to know we want to stop at the length of the sales list minus 2. Because if you just put -1, it's going to stop here, and again, it's no number to compare that with, so we actually want to stop the second to last, because this is the last number we will be comparing to the next. And I is just going to tell my while loop where to start. A difference here is where I'm going to store each percentage of change. So right here I declare a while loop, and again, while it's not at the last element, we want to compare each element before it to the next element. So like I stated, I have an increase and a decrease formula. So I have an if condition here. So if the next number being compared to the first number is greater, we're going to use the increase formula here. So the first thing we're going to do is we're going to take that greater number and we're going to minus the first number from it. And then down here, we're going to take that increased number divided by the original number times 100, and that will give us the percentage of growth. And then we're just appending it to the empty list that I created at the top. So that's the condition if the number is larger, but if the number that we're comparing to is less than, we are going to do our else condition here, which has the decreased formula. And it's a little bit different, but essentially it does the same thing. It's getting the growth of decrease in percentage, and I'm appending it to that difference list that I created at the top. And then here, since it's a while loop, you always have to remember to increment, or else it's just going to be an infinite loop and your program will just not respond. And from there, we're just returning the list that has all of the growth percentages appended. And let's go ahead and run it here in the console. And as you can see, everything is working just fine here. I did check these on the calculator to make sure they were correct, so everything is correct here. Let me know how you would have went about solving it. Let me know if you have any tips from me, and I will see you guys when I see you. Have a great day, everybody. Bye-bye.